Welcome here to my channel. I hope you're doing great. If it's your first time here, I'm Mary TheSharelady. So today I want to invite you to spend a day with my family. Everyone is home today. So today my kids didn't go to school. They are home for the midterm break. Right now we are just waking up and I'm helping the kids to make their beds. My husband is here also. He didn't go to work today. He has invited me to a challenge here in the sitting room. So the challenge is to do a 1 minute plank continuous without breaking or resting. So if I get to go all the way to 1 minute, he will prepare breakfast. But if I don't get to the 1 minute, I get to prepare breakfast. Yeah, so guys, this video is quite self-explanatory. So for the most part of this video, I'll not be speaking. Yeah, so please do enjoy the music. Yeah, it seems the luck was on my side today. I have beat the challenge, and so my husband will be preparing the breakfast for us today.
Breakfast, may you please take it. May you please take it. Amen.
So we have a list of things that we need to do today. We have errands to run. We also have a dental appointment for my daughter, and later on we are going to go for some shopping. Before we leave the house, we are just going to make sure that we've cleaned up. So I'm cleaning the utensils here. And as usual, we are working as a team. So my husband is here vacuuming the carpet. He's helping clean up the living room. The kids will be getting ready as we get to finalize on the cleaning. And we are ready, guys. We are set to leave the house to run the errands. So the first stop will be at Kiambu town in the county offices. We have an errand to run there, and then we'll be going to Nairobi CBD for my daughter's dental appointments. And then when we are done with the dental appointments, we'll proceed to do some shopping that we need to do. Yeah, so guys, this video is quite long, so I decided to separate it into 2 parts. So this one was the part 1 of this video of spending a day with my family. So be sure to catch the next video on my next upload.